I love my job. I love flying my rocket.
I hate my job.
You're like the opposite of me. I'm the rocket man. You know, Elton John.
Who's Elton John?
Guys, the rocket ship's going down!
What?
We just crash landed at Goalist. Let's see what they can do.
Goalist Machine specializes in complex machined parts made from a wide range of materials. What is the name of the part you make?
Called a core.
We get the part, I get the print, so it has all the dimensions on the print.
Comes in, we have to identify to make sure that they shipped us the correct material. And it's an X-ray gun, we shoot it, and then it will identify the paperwork, and then it reads all the different elements that are in the bar.
So when we get the part from the floor, we need to check for things that are called burrs. They are just little bits of metal. This is the curly knife that we use to do the break edges and to take off any burrs. We have a marker. It puts a serial number on the part. And then after that, we need to put it on what is called the hand blade.
Alright, what other equipment do you use?
Besides our visual measuring equipment that you guys just saw, another critical part on this is the flatness of this part. Another critical part is the surface finish inside these bores.
We're so happy that Goalist Machine fixed our part.
I'm so happy our rocket ship was fixed.
Me too.
I can't wait to go back to Saturn.